So today we're gonna be going over everything that's been going on for the week. Today is currently April 20th on a Sunday. It's currently 10:34 p.m. Today we're gonna be going over everything that's been going on in the markets, what should we expecting and stuff like that. This week was a little rocky, I'm not gonna lie. You know, there was a lot going on. There was a lot of manipulation in the market, especially for gold. I had that gold trade. I did not end up taking the trade myself. One thing you guys gotta know about me, I am not a scalper or a day trader. I'm a swing trader, so I wait for the best setup possible that I could take, and that's a setup that I end up taking. So far I have not been seeing that setup come up for me, so that's why I haven't traded this week. I did not trade at all. I'm looking forward to what happens this week, but so far we got a couple things that I've been looking at, and it's been looking good. But gold, as of right now, I have no idea what's going on. Also gonna talk about a crypto. I do see some movement with crypto. Bitcoin looks like it's heading its way up. Everything looks good for buys, but we're gonna see what happens. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting for this week. We're gonna go break it down and see what's going on.
Okay, so based on what I'm looking here, I do see that the price is currently in a consolidation phase right here, where the price just looks like unsure where it wants to go. And I don't like to trade when I'm unsure, and I don't like taking setups that are unsure. I always want to be sure of my setup, and I want to be secure what trade I'm taking. You know what I'm saying? So as of right now, this setup is not secure because we do see that the price both came up and down. Well, now it's down, but last Friday, ended up going up, which implied that the price was probably gaining volume to continue going up. It was clearing the way from all the liquidity into more buys. Now it's picking up the volume, but I don't like this type of trade like right here. I don't like it at all. We're gonna see what happens more till the week, but yeah, that's what I see so far. Let's go right to the next one. Okay, so the next one is Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin looks good overall for buys. I do expect Bitcoin to go up, as we see here. The price broke this external level here and here also. And it looks like the price is tapping into a support zone, a really strong support zone. That's, as we see in the past, that it has held this support zone here. And then history does repeat itself in the market. So I do expect for this level to be respected and the price to start making higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame, like this. Just making higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame, and overall just go up. I'm gonna see what happens. If it keeps up with that structure, then I'm gonna take a buy heading to up here. It's gonna be my target up here for Bitcoin. That's about it for this week. We're just gonna see what happens. Like I said, how I always do, I'm gonna keep updating you guys on what happens and what's going on with the trades. And yeah,